Yes.
My frames are awful in this jungle. Oh my
I think mine are
God.
pretty bad too. So yeah, welcome to TGF. It's me, Ben, and Klob.
Oh my goodness.
We're gonna be extremely confused on everything in this version.
Yeah. Me too, but we're definitely not higher version players.
I mean, like, I say I wouldn't consider myself a higher version player, but also like my fucking geo stats are kind of crazy, so I don't know. And that's in the new version, so I don't know.
I do not want to fight fucking jungle.
I know the 0-0 is better at least.
Yeah. Pray to God it's not just more jungle. Yeah.
The 0-0 is like a plains, so.
Okay, good.
So everything's chilling. Yeah, I haven't been sick in a couple months, but the last time I was sick, it was COVID.
Yeah, I remember you telling me that that was not fun.
It wasn't. Well, like, I mean, there was one day that was really bad, but other than that, it was kind of just like being like stuffy and stuff like that.
Are you sick, one?
I got the flu and COVID back after 3 months ago.
Ooh.
That's rough.
You hate to see it.
Flu actually got me worse.
Really? COVID always, like, flu always is longer, and then COVID always hits me for, I've had it twice, it's hit me for one day, and then it hit really bad the first day, and then I was fine. Last time I had COVID was on my birthday.
Best birthday present ever.
You know, literally, I had like a bunch of plans for my birthday, I was at school, and I just like, fuck, I feel shit. And I went home and I had COVID. Not very fun.
I see you, Ben. I'm gonna go a different direction. I haven't really used. I'm not like a avid crossbow user.
Yeah. How do you craft the blessing?
It's like iron. What is it? Wait, let me look.
You need like super smooth stone. You have to like smelt stone.
Oh, you need to smelt stone.
Yeah.
See a brown mushroom. I also just saw a pillager, but fuck that. Kinda going off of melon.
I see a jungle temple.
Ooh. Loot it.
I will.
I'm in a bamboo thingy. Oh no. You're awkward. I found a village at 0.
Yeah, that's like the 0-0 village.
Oh wait, someone's been here, looks like.
Oh, this chest goes crazy. Bones, bamboo, and rotten flesh.
Ooh, wait, I can get bread all game for that from here. I see an upside down panda. What the fuck?
Holy shit.
Diana Brown. I'm getting away from the village.
Why the fuck is there a Minecraft chest on the surface? What is going on there?
This is interesting. I'm 54.
Got a name tag.
I think someone took a name tag and named fucking whatever makes sense. See a pillager as well.
I'm assuming horses are off, but I found a saddle. Okay, yeah, they're off. That was a useless jungle temple.
I'm a horrible person. I just murdered it.
I did get string actually from the tripwires though, which is what I need for crossbows. So
Oh yeah, I grabbed those. That's smart.
yeah, I only got 5, but hey, I'll take it.
Those arrows make sense.
Yeah, I got the arrows as well. Yeah. Thankfully, I didn't install a Fulbright pack before this. Because the last time I played a non-Fulbright round and had to use a non-half bright, I literally could not function.
Did you have to use torches?
Yes, I could not see a single thing, and I was literally just like losing my shit.
That's awkward.
And then I had a really busted team, so then when I died, everyone was like, yes, yes!
I think you told me about that actually.
I probably did. That's not gonna come out for like forever. This is definitely gonna come out before that, so.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for my iron to smelt so I can make a bunch of furnaces to smelt up cobble. Tried to put meteors on and it crashed. Fail. I kind of forget that there's like an ore pack of like meteors. I haven't used it in like forever, so.
I didn't make an Elmo ores pack. Oh, I found a mine shaft. I hear these cave spiders though, which scares me a little bit.
Yeah, don't get poisoned. I don't know how high the rates are on this server, so.
Yeah, be quite a ways.
I have a feeling it's either very low or very high, no in between.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I found gold. I'm gonna smell real quick. How much iron do I need for the blast furnace? 5. Okay.
Oh wait, yeah, I tried smelting food in a normal furnace and it literally just doesn't let you smelt it, like period.
Yeah.
My plan, no.
No. Wait.
Can I not craft a shield? I think it's lagging. Yeah,
it's
okay, there we go. We good.
Craft an iron pickaxe.
Yeah, I was crafting a shield, I was like, did the recipe change?
Cool.
Gold, yes! Yippee!
How much stone do I need for it? The blast furnace? Do you know? 3. 3. Okay, that's fine. I don't really.
It's 300 bucks then. Then some of the gold and like 5 iron.
3 in the bottom. Okay, got it. I'm visiting it now.
Wait, so you smelt cobble into stone, then do you have to smelt it again after that?
Yes.
Oh.
Oh my god, it looks so weird.
I think I'll have to get another setup of furnaces going shortly. Oh yeah, stone just smooth. Oh, there's actually now a real thing called smooth stone. Whenever I say refer to smooth stone, I just refer to normal stone.
Yeah. Oh, that's an enchanted crossbow on a pillager. Fuck that.
Be careful with that.
I'm gonna block it on. Let's get my cave. Alright. The mob rates feel pretty high.
They're probably vanilla if I had to guess.
Yikes. Oh, and it's laggy. Please, just let me kill these spiders. Dude, these spiders are tanky. What the fuck?
Alright, let me re-look at the crossbow recipe again on my phone. So, yeah, 2 string, a piece of iron. Oh, I used all my iron. Drats.
We just hit 20 minutes.
Oh, yeah, fuck. I see pillagers. And they're guarding iron. Oh, end of up 1.